Got a wretched in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy.
I'm about to do a quick weave on myself. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know, I was feeling a little weird yesterday. But I'm feeling better today, feeling way better than I felt yesterday. Because yesterday I was in so much pain. And I was just sitting here and I was like, I'm bored. So I went to the beauty supply store. I'm about to do a quick weave on myself. I'm about to braid down my hair. I'm gonna try to record the process so y'all can see. I'm gonna braid my hair. And yeah, I'll show you guys. Okay, y'all, so I got my leave out. This is gonna be my leave out. Alright, so I'm gonna braid down my hair. And let me show y'all the stuff that I got. So I got this to go on my wig cap. And this will like be the bond so the glue doesn't touch my hair. Got some wig glue. Here's the wig cap. Oops, wig cap that I got. I got some needle and thread to sew down my hair, so like sew down the cap so it don't come up. A white eyeliner so I could trace the part out when the cap is on there. And then this is the weave that I got from the beauty supply. So I got this model, what is it? Gardenia. This is 30-inch black hair. I might cut it, don't know. And then I got the Dream, the blonde. So I got 3 packs of the black and then 1 pack of this. And I'm gonna try to show y'all, but I don't really have a place to prop y'all up in the bathroom, so we'll just see. But I'm about to just cornrow my hair down, leave out my little edges that I'm gonna leave out. And yeah, I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I don't really know how to braid, but I'm gonna try. Well, I've been trying. So yeah, I'm just braiding down my hair. So I finished braiding down my hair, so I just like outlined my leave outs. So I'm about to put this one there. I actually need to charge my camera battery, so I'm gonna come back after I charge my camera battery. Alright, y'all, this is very tedious, but here is half of my head. Still doing it, and low-key getting tired, but this is really long, but these are the only lengths that they had. I'm probably gonna cut it. This is like 30 inches and 24 in blonde, and then 30 inches in the black. But I'm definitely gonna cut this because I don't think I want my hair this long, but I don't know yet, so we'll see. Okay, y'all, so I finished my hair. I definitely didn't cut it. I couldn't find my like little shears to like make it even, or my razor. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, this is what we're giving. Hey y'all, so it's the morning. I just went to go get like some shears because I cut the hair. It was like 30 inches and I didn't want it to be that long, but now it's too straight at the end, and I couldn't find my, not shears, y'all, I couldn't find my, what is it called, my razor to cut my hair. I don't know what happened to it, but had to go to the beauty supply. My nail appointment is at 12:30 and my eyelash appointment is at 3:30, so I'm about to head to Charlotte in about a couple of minutes. So y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it's a little too straight at the ends, so I bought a little razor. I'm about to put layers into it. And yeah, I'm really excited to get my nails done and my eyelashes. This is the fit. Victoria's Secret pink sweater, and then Pretty Little Thing leggings, and my Ugg slides. It was in between my Ugg slides and my Yeezys, but I'm trying to really be, I don't know, on slides today. I didn't feel like wearing sneakers, so yeah. About to come do this, and yeah, I will talk to you guys when I am done or on the way to Charlotte. Y'all, I'm just such a bad vlogger, but okay. So I came home, and why is my light not coming on? Oh, my boyfriend must have turned off the dang switch over here. Came home. Well, actually, this is what happened. got my lashes done, then went to my nail appointment, got my lashes done, and I was kind of in a rush because I had to drive straight from my nail appointment to my lash appointment, and I had to get some money. So yeah, now I am home. But let me show you guys my lashes. Well, here's my lashes. It's like 14. Ooh, my nose is so dry. Hold on. So it's 14, 15, 16, and then 18. Okay. And then here are my nails. Hopefully it focuses in. These are my nails. These are fire. Don't mind my hair right now. But yeah. So now that I'm home, I'm about to clean up my house a little bit. Cause y'all, it's a freaking mess. And I need to do some dishes, and I need to do some homework assignment, and I got a package from Amazon. Well, and I didn't light a candle, so yeah, I'm opening this package from Amazon, and yeah, I'll be back.
In my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy if you bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I